Welcome to the Paulson topic series. Today we're talking about tactical products and specifically body shields. Body shields are designed for frontline use in riot conditions. They not only carry the name of the agency, but they're protecting the policeman who is behind it, so he needs to have good vision, and it's a sign of authority. These body shields are made to protect both the rioter and the policeman who's using it. We have very smooth and large fasteners, so no one is abraded. All of the edges are smooth and rounded so that you don't get any cuts from these edges. The body shield has a thick foam pad on its interior. You can see on the edge there and on the inside. This is support for the forearm. This pad and the density of this pad allows your forearm to depress into the pad and also to give you traction as you're moving the body shield up and down. Your forearm won't slip on this. It's also good for all different weather, whether if it's hot conditions, cold conditions, rain conditions, this foam pad will still give you good friction. This large handle is good for one-handed use or two-handed use. As your arm comes through and you're gripping the handle, a second hand can come in like this to give additional support if it's needed. The quick release strap is a Velcro design. If someone is twisting the body shield or you want to get out of this quickly, you can just pull down and this releases the body shield from you. It also makes it fast and easy to adjust just by laying the two straps together. Now you adjusted it tightly on your arm. We have many different products as far as for the different body shield models, all different types of labels, and we will continue to go through those now. The next model in our lineup is the model BS2. This is by far the most popular model of body shield that we manufacture. 20 inches right to left, 36 inches top to bottom, 0.150 thickness. We are showing this with a police decal. The police decal, as previously mentioned, is second surface, so it doesn't get abraded in use. Includes the foam pad assembly on the interior, the quick release strap assembly, and the heavy duty handle kit. This can be used with one hand or two. And with this body shield, we also have additional accessories such as a cover for carrying it and stowing it in the armory. Our next model is the BS3. Body shield number 3. This particular one is shown without a decal. So this is just the foam pad. It could have been ordered with a decal, but in some cases, they don't know what this application will be. Will it be a police department or a sheriff's department? So they'll just order it without a decal at all. This particular model is 24 inches right to left, 48 inches top to bottom, 0.150 in thickness. Same fasteners on the exterior, smooth edges, and on the interior, the handle, strap, and foam. This handle can be reversed with this strap. So this body shield is meant to be carried in the left hand, baton in the right hand. If the person is left-handed, you would switch these as they would use the baton in the left hand and they would carry the body shield in the right hand. That is another reason why people order the body shields with no decal, because if you will simply reverse the body shield, it goes from left hand to right-handed operation immediately, and you don't have your police symbol upside down. Our next model is model BS-6. The BS-6 is a round body shield. It has all the same features and benefits of the handles, the strap assemblies, the foam pads, the second surface labels, the smooth edges. There's several advantages to this smaller size. One is it's very convenient for loading into the trunk of a police car. Two is that the round size of this, it's very difficult for someone to grab a hold of it and try and twist it in your arm. Whereas when you have the tall body shields, they can be twisted. So the round size has an advantage for the twisting, for the storage, and it's very lightweight, easy to turn and pivot when you have a much smaller unit such as this. This is model BS-7. BS-7 is also a round body shield. It is 150 thick, so it has a stiffer profile than the model BS-6. All of the same features and benefits, smooth rounded edge, the screws and handles being protected on the exterior, the heavy-duty foam pad, and the quick-release strap. Again, this model stores very conveniently in the trunk of a car, is not easy to rotate when you're wearing it, and is lightweight, designed to be able to pivot and move quickly. Okay. In our series of body shields, this is model BS-9. This is our most popular model that's associated with military usage. There's no decal. That way the shield can just easily be turned right or left relative to a right-handed or a left-handed person. It has the smooth exterior fasteners, a very smooth edge on the product. It's 24 inches right to left, 48 inches top to bottom, and its thickness is 1/4 of an inch. This is a very heavy body shield. It takes training to use this because of the weight. However, this shield also has a V50 rating for applications where you may have explosions.